It's Monday, Memorial Day, and special day. We've got to celebrate all of the veterans who've given us this freedom to come out and enjoy a beautiful 3-day weekend and say a special thanks. I am on Lost Lake. Now, if you Google in Oregon, Lost Lake, you're going to come up with 5 different lakes. But this is a small 15-acre lake in the middle of the Coast Range, just off of Highway 26 heading to the beach. And it was about I want to say about a 20-mile ride in on a pretty freshly graveled Forest Service road. So I had to kind of take my time to get in. But no sooner had I rolled into the parking lot than you can see this is a pretty favorite, family-friendly lake for fishing. Lots of families setting up barbecues, getting ready to put their boats in the water and try their luck. So I thought we'd try this lake because they stock it. And if you've watched any of my videos in the past with Gus, you know that neither one of us have caught a single fish out on our trips in the last 2 years. So hopefully today changes my luck. So we'll explore Lost Lake and we'll catch you a little bit later. Well, to nobody's surprise, I suck at fishing. So everybody in the boat seemed to be catching a lot of fish. So they're trolling, and a couple families out there. I just saw a couple big bald eagles swoop in over the lake. They were just gorgeous. Hopefully I caught it on film, and I can share it with you guys a little bit later. So I'm gonna switch up on what I'm using and see if that helps. So talk to you later. So it's about noon and everybody seems to have been done fishing. All the boats are off the lake and just pretty much everybody on the shores quit fishing. So kind of get the impression if you want to fish this lake, you need 2 things. One, a boat if you can get one back here, even if it's a canoe or a little kayak, to be able to get out in the middle of the lake where it seems to be deeper, and everybody that I saw out here was catching a lot of fish, but me. So yeah, Memorial Day, gosh, it's just absolutely gorgeous. There's no wind, and it's about 70, 75 degrees, and can't think of a perfect place to just spend a couple hours and relax. So think I'm going to hike back around the lake, finish my hike, get back to the bike, and then probably gear up and go find some place that I can make lunch and just relax for the last hour before heading back to Portland. So hope you guys are enjoying a little quiet time on Memorial Day weekend. All right, well, just walking back, finishing the hike around the lake. It's really nice back here, but you could tell I'm in some big aspens all the way around the lake, and it is pretty flat. I mean, once you get here up and down those mountain roads, you do a pretty good job. So again, this beautiful day, what else are you gonna do? So get out and enjoy the wilderness.
a boat that we're all.
So a couple things about the trip this morning and out to Lost Lake. One, it's not lost. It is well known. Place was packed by the time I got back to the bike. Two, I stink at fishing, so I stopped at DQ on the way back because they say you can get it your way, and since I can't catch fish, I might as well order one to eat. And then three, just again to everybody, happy Memorial Day, and we'll see you guys down the road.